Lenovo ThinkPad T61 15.4-inch notebook. Review deal discount unboxing setup. I picked up this laptop for one reason really, namely, so that I could play my Age of Mythology games since my newer laptop running Windows 10 won't, and this was loaded with Windows 7. I've loaded it with those games and several other older games like that, or games that don't require a high-end gaming setup, and it's been awesome to play these games on it. I've also dropped in a copy of WPS Writer and some other programs so that I could use it as a backup for writing if I want to. This is a sweet laptop. The reality is that this thing retailed for $1,400 when it came out back around 2007 or so, and now you can get it for about $100 or less. Come on. What a great deal. Especially as a secondary laptop, and so my main one doesn't get clogged up with games I don't need to have on it. This laptop has all the power and performance and capabilities that anyone could use. The screen doesn't look nearly as good as my Cybertron, nor anywhere near the performance of course. So it's not like I would watch DVDs on it, though I could with the built-in drive, which is very convenient. It is heavier but not bad. The fan is a little louder than my newer laptop, but I don't really notice it while gaming. The keyboard feels good. Bottom line, I would recommend that anyone looking for a laptop just for certain purposes, maybe for note-taking at school, casual surfing online, maybe having this thing downloading movies or music whilst you are working on your main laptop, ought to pick one of these up, or any similar laptop which are available on Amazon. Regarding the seller, delivery was prompt, packaged okay, and as advertised. Perfect for what we were looking for. Nice price, nice size, moves fairly quickly, loads and runs everything. Was skeptical with the price, but this is a very nice computer, no issues so far. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.